Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, the contacts, for example with the usage of the dialer app, and then find the contact for which you'd like to assign a photo. So let me choose maybe this one, and after tapping on it, just tap on this info icon here. Then let's tap on edit, so this pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. That's how to do it. Alright, I just wanted to draw your attention before we will set the photo. I just wanted to draw your attention to this option because it's quite new. We can tap on it, and basically here we can change the profile card, so we can change the color of the background when this specific contact is calling. So we can change the colors. For example, we can choose something like that, and as you can see, this is how it will look like when this contact will call, and somewhere here we will have also the profile picture. So I just wanted to show it to you. And to set the picture, we have to tap on the circle here, so the right option, and now we can either choose something from the camera. I mean, we can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. We can choose something from the gallery if you've got a nice photo. You've got also Galaxy Avatar, and here you've got some additional illustrations, I would say, from which you can choose, and I think I will pick something from those. I think this fox is quite cute. So just tap on the specific option. Basically, if you will have the photo, you will be able to zoom in or out the photo just by pinching your how is it called, fingers, to assign it, and then tap on save if you're ready. So as you can see here, we've got our fox as the contact profile, as the contact photo. So remember to tap on save, and here we've got our contact with the photo assigned, and obviously you will be able to see it on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.